TP-Link Archer C20 setup. This is the best way to set up your TP-Link Archer C20 C750 dual-band router. Connect the Ethernet cable from your internet service provider to the WAN or internet port on the back of the TP-Link Archer C20 router. Connect one end of the included power adapter to the device and plug the other end into a wall outlet nearby. Then power on your TP-Link Archer C20 router. This is the reset button. When your TP-Link Archer C20 router is powered on, press and hold the WPS reset button more than 10 seconds until the system LED becomes quick flash from slow flash. Then release the button and wait for the router to reboot to its factory default settings. Connect your mobile phone or computer to the TP-Link Archer C20 router using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. The default network name and password are usually on a sticker on the bottom of the TP-Link Archer C20 router. Once your mobile phone or computer is connected to the TP-Link Archer C20 router, open a web browser, type tplinkwifi.net in the address field, and then press enter to visit the TP-Link Archer C20 router's web management page. Create login password. For security, please create a login password for management. TP-Link Archer C20 router recommends that your password meets the following conditions. Must contain no space. Must be 6 to 32 characters long. Must contain at least 2 types of the following characters: letters, numbers, and symbols. First, type your new login password. Then confirm your login password. Then, click on Start. Run the quick setup to manually configure your internet connection and wireless settings. To continue, please click the Next button. Choose Operation Mode, Wireless Router. Then, click on Next. Select your connection type. If your internet service provider gives you public IP or static IP address, select the static IP boxes. If your ISP provides PPPoE username and password, select your connection type PPPoE. Then, click on Next. Please enter your PPPoE username and password given by your internet service provider. First, type your PPPoE username. Then, type your PPPoE password. Confirm your PPPoE password. Then, click on Next. Under Wireless Dual Band Selection, please select the checkbox to enable 2.4G and 5G radio band. Then, click on Next. Customize your 2.4G wireless network name, SSID, and wireless network password, Wi-Fi password. Enter the wireless network name SSID for your 2.4G band wireless network. Type the password you have chosen in the box next to the password for the 2.4G band. Wi-Fi password must contain at least 8 characters. Then, click on Next. Confirm or change the wireless network name SSID. Type the wireless network name SSID for your 5G band wireless network. Type the password you have chosen in the box next to the password for the 5G band. Wi-Fi password must contain at least 8 characters. Then, click on Next. The quick setup is complete. Please confirm all parameters below. Click back to modify any settings for click Save to save and apply your configurations. Click on Save to finish the TP-Link Archer C20 router setup and configuration. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.